Jamaica is poised to take advantage of the emerging digital economy due to its telecommunications infrastructure and high mobile phone penetration. In recent years, internet shopping has been on the rise, with consumers increasingly using their mobile devices for various online shopping and digital transactions. On this World Consumer Rights Day 2018, the theme is making digital marketplaces fairer with greater access, security, and protection. Consumers now have a larger marketplace within which to conduct business and are readily conducting business in this digital economy. However, with additional choices comes the need for consumers to exercise more responsibility by carrying out the necessary due diligence when using digital platforms. This is of particular importance when conducting cross-border transactions, as the rules and responsibilities of utilizing this space still requires more legislation and clarity. Therefore, while we embrace the vast potential for economic growth, we also urge consumers to be vigilant while exercising their choices. Today, Jamaica joins the rest of the global community in observing World Consumer Rights Day 2018. Happy World Consumer Rights Day, Jamaica.